welcome back into this channel. I want to share the tutorials how to control the speed in one video without cut the video into several clips. So here I just want to make this video like have different speed in once. Let's check the video first. So this is for the normal speed on this video. Okay, and now I want to make it like I want to cut it into this clip. Okay, now we only have this clip. I want to control the speed, so the thing that we need to do is just go into this section, make sure the clip is in active mode, and then you will find these features on your project, and then now just click speed. There are two options, whether either normal or curve. Now we just need to click curve since we want to mix either it's like slow or in a fast speed. Now you can custom. Okay, just click the custom, and now you can adjust on which second you want to make the videos fast and in which second that you want to make the videos being slow. Just make sure you control it by click and hold and also drag these circles. If you drag it down, it makes your video slower, and if you drag it up, it makes your video being fast. Let's have it checked. Okay, it's going slow, and it's growing fast, super fast, and done. And if you already have your speed customized, just click done over here, and now click done again, and the speed is already applied into your video on your project. Now let's have a test. Does it work? And it's going slow, and it starts to be fast and super fast, and done. So that's all for today's tutorial, guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe to this channel.